Come along with me to make trendy feather DIY pajamas. I picked up a pair of light blue button-down pajamas from Marshall's for $20. You can always order a pair online if you're looking for a specific color, but this color definitely worked for me. Now for materials. I ordered a variety of rhinestone trim with an adhesive back, fabric glue, scissors, and ostrich feather trim. First step was to measure the feather trim around each arm and pant leg. Then I laid the rhinestone trim over to get a visual. I opted to use a glue gun because it was quicker to apply and dry than the fabric glue. Here you can see where I actually did 2 layers of feather trim on the pajamas to give a thicker look, and then I covered up the trim base with the rhinestone ribbon. These will be my party pajamas when I want to have a fancy girls' night in, whether we're scrolling social media or binging a rom-com movie. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make your own fancy pajama set.